Hello and welcome to another coding challenge video. For today's challenge we need to imagine a party in which a group of children are playing a game by standing in a circle. After each having received a number from 1 to 12, they are then shown a prize and given the rules of the game. The child in the first position starts the game by tapping the child on her left, who is then eliminated from the game. Then the child in position number 3 taps his friend on the left and he too is eliminated from the game. This carries on with each child tapping the person on his or her left until only one child remains. The last child remaining gets the prize. Now let's carry on with our example here, and we can see that child number 5 will eliminate number 6, then number 8, number 10, and number 12, and we are back to child number 1. Now, child number 1 will eliminate the next person who hasn't yet been eliminated, namely child number 3. Then child number 5 will eliminate number 7, number 9 will eliminate number 11, and we are back to number 1 again. Now, number 1 will eliminate number 5, and number 9 will eliminate number 1. And so we have that child number 9 gets the prize. So now imagine that you are one of the children, and of course you would like to win the prize. So, in what position would you have to stand if there were 627 children, including yourself, at the party? As always, next week I will give you my solution to this challenge. But in the meantime, make sure to like, share and subscribe to the channel, as well as share your solution in the comments below. Also, don't forget to check out my previous challenges and Python tutorials should you need any hints. I look forward to seeing you all again next week, and until then, happy coding!